a JavaScript editor. The NetBeans JavaScript editor extend the support for JavaScript, Ajax, and CSS. And some advantages of the NetBeans IDE that we have best support for latest advanced Java technology. It fast and smart editing code. So when you open the NetBeans IDE, this IDE is providing you write the Java code very fast, and you can easily handle this program. It support the rapid application development, enable the user to write the bug free code. If any kind of bugs or errors are there, you can remove it the box of code. And basically this is a tool which is analyzing the performance of your application, whether your application is correctly working or not. For checking that, we are using this kind of profiler. So Gibson heading GUI tool, GUI tool in NetBeans profiler, Gibson heading GUI tool. So it enables the developer, it enables the developer to prototype and design to prototype and design swing, prototype and design the swing component by dragging and positioning by dragging and positioning the graphic user interface application, dragging and positioning the graphic user interface application. Next, right, the NetBeans JavaScript editor. It provide extended support for JavaScript, Ajax, and CSS.
So for JavaScript,
JavaScript, Ajax, and CSS. The advantages of the NetBean ID. User heading. It is a base support for latest and advanced Java technology. First point. Next point is fast and smart code editing. Fast and smart code editing. Then next point is easy and efficient project management. Then next point is it support it support rapid application development mechanism. Next point, it enable the user to write the bug free code.
Sir, it enables
Users to write bug free code. Bug means the errors. Okay, the errors that is appear when you write a program, or you can say like it is a runtime exception. That is a box. Okay, so removing that box we are using this what NetBean part. So what are the different Java editor we are using for writing a program? So here for writing a Java program, we are using the different editor, like you can say the NetBean IDE. It is a Java editor. Here you can write the program, or you write the program. If you install the TextPad, is the best solution to write a program. TextPad, Notepad, okay, Eclipse IDE, okay, for writing the Java. And if you want to design the Android application development, you can use it. Okay, so these are the different tools we're using for Java application development. Okay, so Gibson heading Java editor. First is Notepad. expired. NetBean ID and Eclipse. Okay, then how to work with the NetBean? Okay, so for working with the NetBean, you are installed NetBean. NetBean download करथिलो? मुझे लिंक टा प्रोवाइड करथिले?
सर करनी सर आज कर देवी
तो आज ही करी को इंस्टॉल कर दियो. Practical start होगा. So first you open the NetBean ID. Okay, first you install. जेतले install करिवो.
सर सर
से फोल्डर टा डाउनलोड कला पारे से फोल्डर जेतबे अनजिप करिवो राइट क्लिक अनकम्प्रेस जेतले करिवो ता भितरे तुमे पाइबो कोन ना
यस सर
जेडीके पाइबो नेटबिन पाइबो तो फर्स्ट जेडीके इंस्टॉल करिवो तापरे तुमे नेटबिन इंस्टॉल करिवो जदी एबे पारिबो करि नबो क्लासेस परे तो जदी किछि प्रॉब्लम होला मते कॉल कले मु भाई 11 नु 1 भितरे एटा तुम्हारा रिमोट ने की कर देबी. ओके सो এটা डाउनलोड कर दबो जदी किछि प्रॉब्लम हैला मते कॉल करिवो 11 मते खाली मेसेज कर दबो 11 नु 1 भीतर मु थी तो से मु तमरा सिस्टम टा रिमोट नै जीवी रिमोट नै की कर देबी त पूर्व तमे टीम व्यूअर टा डाउनलोड करथिबो टीम व्यूअर नले एनी डेस्क सॉफ्टवेयर सेटा डाउनलोड करथिबो तो से बेरे मु नै जीवी. ओके
यस सर
गुड मिनिट. Okay, so to work with the NetBean, first you open the NetBean ID. Okay, so you open the NetBean ID. then after this file is open, then go to the file, new project, then Java application, next. Then it application na it any name, suppose my Java PR. ओके तो यहाँ हूँ प्रोजेक्ट नेम, ये तुम दीटा पार्ट पाइब, ये फर्स्ट पार्टा हूँ फोल्डर नेम, सेकेंड पार्टा हूँ तुम क्लास नेम या प्रोग्राम नेम। ओके तो यहाँ पूरा रिमूव करदेव, सपोज फोल्डर नेम मुझे देदेली p1 डॉट क्लास नेम मुझे किसी देदेली सपोज माय क्लास is used for creating a my class. Okay, now this file has opened. Okay, now we write the program here. Okay, so here you can pass the program. Okay, you write the program here, like package name or folder name is p1, and my program is what my it is my Java PR. See, my class.java. Okay. Clear? बुझेला? दिशा बुझ पाइल केंतु लिखा हो यही जगह मेन मेथड भीतर लिखा हो प्रोग्राम।
सर से जो एग्स टा कौन
कोड़ा लो
सर जो स्ट्रिंग पर जो लिखा है जी
हाँ इटा मु बुझे इटा हो जी ए टोटल टा हमें कहबा मेन मेथड एमती सी प्रोग्राम रे हमें कहू जे इट इज ए मेन मेथड तो इन द जावा दिस टोटल पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द मेन मेथड। हमको मेन मेथड लिखिबा को हेले टोटल लाइन टा लिखिबा को पड़ियो। ओके
यस सर
बुझला केमती प्रोग्राम लिखा हो माने ओपन करा हो बुझला
Yes, sir.
तो नेटबिट ने एटा हला गोटा होची सिंपल प्रोग्राम आमे एठी लिखिबा जदि आमे ग्राफिक यूजर इंटरफेस एप्लीकेशन डिजाइन करिवो तो I will add here right click new Java frame form. The form name is suppose first okay so it is a way for designing the graphic user interface application first.java. Okay, so how you have to add again right click new Java frame form. So it is this part is called as the palette. Palette is giving you to it has it having the different controls. Okay, different GUI controls for designing the graphic user interface application. For designing the GUI application, it is having a different type of controls. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then this is called as the project window. Means what are the project that you have already created. Excuse me. So that is display in this panel. Okay, or in this portal. It is called as the project window. It is called as the navigator. If you want to move to the any application, it is called as the navigation. So here you get your project design. If you want to write any kind of coding, you write in the source code. So here you have to pass. It is called as the menu bar. This is called as the toolbar. Okay, it is called as the panel area. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So when you run the application, it is called as the what inspector window means this area. It is a output window we can say. Okay. Okay, so when you run the application, the output is displayed here in this part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So Gibson heading different parts of NetBean ID. Different parts of NetBean ID. First you write the title var. It display the name of application or program. It display the name of the application or program. Then next is your menu bar. It provides the various command. It provides the various command which is used to work with NetBean ID. Such as file, edit, view. Next is toolbar. It provides a way to quickly access the commonly used command. Next is palette window. This window contain all the container and other graphical components such as labels panel, text field. Then next comes to the project window. This window show logical structure of different project window content. Then next is inspector window. This window display hierarchical tree structure hierarchical tree structure all the components used in the current form. Used in the current form. Then write property window. Property window means, suppose if you add any kind of components, suppose I adding here button, then right click property window. Here property window. This window display the editable property of the currently selected graphical component. Next point is design area. It is the primary area used for creating and editing of Java forms. Next part is source editor. It is a fully featured text editor program which includes compiler, debugger, and other components of IDE. Then output window. This window display the output of a program. Okay, so now comes to the component and container. So the component and container, we're using what? Java foundation classes. Java foundation classes. It support the GUI feature. The JFC are the pre-written code in the form of class and library that give the programmer a comprehensive set of GUI routine to use. JFC is extension of original Java abstract window toolkit. Okay, so it is a part of AWT, component and container. So you can say, ଆମେ ଯଦି components and container କହିବା ତ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା container, and this button, a toggle button, checkbox, these are called as the components. So these are the components, and the total screen is called as the container. Okay, ବୁଝିଗଲା?
Yes, sir.
So right, gives an heading component and container. In Java, Java foundation classes support the GUI features these are the pre-written code. These are the pre-written code in the form of class and library. It provide to design. It provide to design the comprehensive set of GUI application. The comprehensive set of GUI application. Okay. JFC is the extension of AWT. JFC is the extension of AWT. Okay, so in the next class we are going to cover about Java GUI application. Okay, so what is GUI application and components of Swing? Clear?
Yes, sir.
जो practical टा जरा सी रे दिया है जी करी की पटे हुआ है ना.
Yes, sir.